Today I'm going to show you how to properly terminate a Cat5 connector. So first thing you want to do, strip your cable back about 3 or 4 inches. Be sure that you don't nick any of the cables or cut into them. These are the Siemens connectors that Velocity typically uses. We're going to go with the T568B standard. So you want to separate your pairs according to the layout on the connector. Just kind of place the cable in line with how it needs to be. Try to keep the twist into the cable as much as possible without messing them up. Always twist them together like that. It makes for less of a mess. This Cat5 punch down tool, I always store my blade in the back so it doesn't get messed up and it keeps it sharp. You want to make sure that the cut inside is always pointed the right direction. Just inspect it before you leave the location to make sure that you did it right. Next you want to put on the biscuit, or actually put the dust cover on. Don't forget that. It just snaps on the back. Snap in the top part of the biscuit first, the jack first, and then just give it a push on the back. It'll snap right in. Comes with a zip tie. Zip tie to the back. Put the cover on. And then make sure you label the biscuit, the AP name. In this case we'll just put AP1 for now. Print. On the top. So now this could be wall mounted. You can put, it's got screw holes, you can put it on the wall. Also it has a sticky pad, whichever way is going to be best for the application that you're doing. And that's it. Thank you.